Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you can't see and install Call of Duty Mobile on your Google Play Store for your Honor 50 Lite. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our Google Play Store, and if I type in Call of Duty, I can't see the proper game, Call of Duty Mobile. So in order to fix that, now we need to be in our Google Play Store main room like here, and then press on the icon right here, go to settings, press on the family arrow right here, parental controls, and just disable the parental controls like that. Now we'll need to know the pin for the parental controls. I know mine, so I'm just gonna type it in. And now if we go back to the Google Play Store and just search for Call of Duty, the app shows up right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.